Today, we're going to take a look at 5 amazing ships designed to cut through ice and keep icy waters navigable all year round. These powerful ships clear the path for other vessels, whether it's a research ship, a merchant vessel, or a tanker, making sure everyone can travel safely through freezing conditions. Number 5. S.A. Agulhas. Starting off at number 5 is the S.A. Agulhas, South Africa's polar research ship. You wouldn't normally associate South Africa with icy waters, but the Agulhas is a remarkable piece of engineering. It has a specially strengthened hull and a unique shape that lets it split ice in two, clearing the way for other ships. Number 4. Polar Star, United States. At number 4, we have the CGC Polar Star, a heavy icebreaker operated by the United States Coast Guard. Most of its missions take place in Alaska, where thick ice can put commercial and research ships in danger. The Polar Star is designed to cut through medium to heavy ice with ease, keeping vital routes clear and delivering much-needed aid and supplies. Number 3. CCGS Terry Fox, Canada. Coming in at number 3 is the Canadian CCGS Terry Fox. This heavy icebreaker assists ships stranded in icy waters, particularly in Newfoundland and Labrador. The Terry Fox guides these merchant and service ships safely through freezing conditions, making sure commerce and travel can continue, even in the harsh Canadian Arctic. Number 2. Baltica, Finland. At number 2, we have something a little different. The Baltica, an oblique icebreaker designed by the Finnish company Aker Arctic. This unique ship can break ice forward, backward, and sideways. That means it can clear a much wider path in a single pass, perfect for clearing large channels quickly and efficiently. Number 1, the 50 Let Po Betty, or 50 Years of Victory. And at number 1, we have the largest nuclear-powered icebreaker in the world. This Russian giant displaces over 25,000 tons and is powered by 2 OK-900 nuclear reactors. It can operate for nearly a year without refueling and break through the thickest Arctic ice with ease. The ship's spoon-shaped bow lets it cut through ice more efficiently, making it a key asset for keeping Arctic routes open all year round. From South Africa to Russia, these remarkable ships show us the power of human innovation